Gems, how you doing? This is Faith Diamond Rough. How's your day going today? Today I have an unboxing Smart Art. I will pop links down below so that you can check them out. But while you're checking them out, hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Leave comments. Let me know what you could probably do with this. And obviously hit the like. Now let's get into Empower Creativity. Smart Art Box. smartartbox.com. Okie dokie, so let's get into this. One. Two, three. Okay, so Smart Art has comes in orange. Art box. They have tutorials. I do like to check things out there, but okay. Smart Art, they do weekly challenges. So if you complete the Smart Art weekly challenge, you can win. You just need to tag at Smart Art Box using the hashtag Smart Art Weekly and Smart Art Project to win the competitions. Rightio. So there's the history, the project tools. So I'll go through those. There is a project to do. Oh, this looks like it's going to be fun. There's another. Just working my way through. Okay, so there's a couple of things to do in there, but let's get into this box and Smart Art History presenting World Watercolor Month. So that is July, which I'm still in July. Sorry, I've been away. World Watercolor Month is observed annually in July, celebrating art and creativity through the use of watercolors. Anyone can join the celebration, trying the ultimate challenge of 31 watercolors in 31 days. Wow, or simply posting when you can. It's all about maintaining a regular art practice and having fun. Okay, Smart Art Box, you'll find an assortment of water media and tools to achieve a variety of watercolor techniques, including an intro to watercolor. Gelato set by Faber-Castell. Dynamic to do. Okay, so let's have a look at what's in here and we'll go through the project tools. We'll pop the box to the side. Whoops. Pop the box to the side and let's go through what's in the box. Always interested to see what are in these boxes, especially when it's like, oh, what do I do with that? I've got no idea. Anyway, so intro to watercolor with Gelato's 11 pieces. So just trying to find something that has 11 pieces to it. Okay, it's actually a box kit. Okay, Faber-Castell. Learn watercolor techniques with amazing gelatos. These creamy pigments glide on smooth and can be used with multiple watercolor techniques to create fun mixed media effects. This set includes 8 gelatos, a deluxe refillable water brush, silicone craft tray, and guided instruction book. Okay, I always need a guided instruction book because I never know what to do. Okay, I am, as I've said it before, I'm not an arty person, which is why I'm doing these, because I can get to and learn stuff. Okay, so let's get this out. Whoops. So in here, 8 gelatos colours. Leave that tape down. I might leave them taped. You have, there's a red cherry. Just trying to see if I can see where, no. Okay, so there's red cherry, mango, banana, and then you have a lime, snow cone, which is the blue, raspberry, bubblegum, and black licorice. I'm going to try and keep these together. You also get a silicone mixing tray. Okay. Illustrated guide, Intro to Watercolors with Gelato. Okay. How to fill the brush. We also have the deluxe water brush. So this is where I'm going to have fun. Oh, it's got a squeezy bit in the middle. Okay. Oops. So there's part of 8 gelato colours. I have no idea what I am going to be doing with this. None whatsoever. But look at that. Let's see, I have a step-by-step guide to do florals. Cool. Okay, so that's first part of the box. Let's get these out of the way. Then we have Marabou Graphics, Aqua Inks, blue, red and yellow. Just trying to remember whether I got Marabou before. Yeah, I've got some Marabou. Anyway, let's go. Out we come. Oh, look at that. Look at those. Marabou Graphics Aqua Inks are ultra brilliant water-based watercolor ink that is naturally transparent and highly light fast. Use this ink with a brush or drawing pen for watercolor techniques or with a dip pen for lettering. Shake vigorously before use. Look at those vibrant colors. Okay. Then we have Stratmore Watercolor 400 series tape bound pad. So that's got 12 sheets in it. Paper pads are an intermediate grade watercolor paper that's popular with watercolorists of all levels because of the fine and even washes that can be achieved using this sheet. It also has strong surface that will allow lifting and scraping applications. Natural white colour and traditional cold press surface make it an ideal for mastering watercolour techniques or for finished artworks. Okay, so that one we'll be finding out about. Rightio, and then we have, is it that one? No, Pitt Artist Pen, soft brush, Pitt Artist Pens with a soft brush tip can produce a line of 0.525 millimeters. They offer, oh look at that. Hang on, there we go. Look how fine that is. They offer odorless, permanent and waterproof inks which will not bleed through paper. The pigmented India inks and light fast acids free and pH neutral. They work beautifully on all types of papers and canvas. Permanent on porous surfaces, ideal for free form drawing sketches, creating bold details and studies in ink. Store horizontally when not used, so keep it flat. Pitt Artist Pen 1.5 millimeter bullet white. Ooh-cha. White Pitt Artist Pens are with bullet nip can produce a line of 1.5 millimeters. The white pigmented India inks are perfectly opaque, light fast, acid free and pH neutral. Pens are used daily by artists worldwide for illustrations, fashion design, life drawings, portraits, sequential art and canvas paintings. Store horizontally when not in use. Yet again, another one stuff that. Then the next one is Princeton 3 brush synthetic brush set. Today, Princeton Artist Brush Co. is one of the largest brush makers in North America. Princeton makes one thing, the best quality, most fairly priced artist brushes available today. Their mission is to always deliver more brush for your money. This fascination with providing customers with an excellent deal is why Princeton has named this line brush sets Real Value. Okay, I'm not going to take these out, but it's a number 3 round, number 2 shader, and number 6 is a shader as well. I'll leave those in the packaging. And then, ooh, Laffy Taffy, jokes on every taffy. Okay, we'll see how that one goes. But comments, that's it for the Smart Art box. I will get to and play with. I haven't played with much of my subscription boxes. I've been away for 4 weeks and now I'm playing catch up. So let's see. I've probably lost my joke on here. No, I can't find a joke on here. Oh wait, hang on. No, I have no idea where the joke is. Okay. When's the best time to visit a dentist? At 2:30. 2:30. How do camels blend in? Camouflage. Okay, on that note, James, I will say thank you for joining me. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. And I'm going to eat this lolly.